G'day and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm just going to give you a quick update about my UK trip and to let you know that I'm still going to Woolfest. I'm still going to the UK. It is now, what day is it today? It's Friday today and we leave on Tuesday. So there's lots of packing going on. If you can see my suitcase just there, there's a basket of clean washing as well, but my suitcase is out. There's stuff being thrown in. I have no idea how to pack light, so it's going to be an experience. I have got some vacuum, what do you call them? Those vacuum seal bags or vacuum pack bags. I don't know. You put the stuff in, suck all the air out, and all the stuff shrinks. So I've got some of those ready because I know I'm going to need them because I'm hopeless. But I've got some gifts in there too, so it's taking up quite a bit of room. But that's okay. So what that means is when I come back, the gifts won't be there and I'll have extra room in case I buy something. So that's good. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. If I'm sounding a bit weird, I'm actually hungry. So my brain doesn't function when I'm hungry. Yeah. So I'm just looking at my diary here. So I will be at the Woolfest on the Friday. Woolfest. I keep saying Woolfest. It's not even Woolfest. It's Woolfest. Woolfest. There's no... It's not E-A-S-T, it's E-S-T. Woolfest. I will be in the UK, England, for Woolfest. And it goes on the Friday and the Saturday. And myself and Zoe and Catherine... So Zoe's from 24 Karat Crochet. Catherine from Crafted in Treats. Jan Carruthers and Sue from the Jan Carruthers channel here on YouTube, and there's a couple other people going too, but I'm not sure if they have YouTube, so I can't mention them, but a couple other people are going as well. So we are meeting up on the Friday, which is the 22nd of June, for Woolfest, and Zoe and I will be around for the Saturday as well. We travel back down to London on the 24th of June, which is the Sunday. So we will be around for the Saturday. I know we're meeting up with one of Zoe's friends, so I'm not sure if she's a crochet friend. I'm not really sure. I haven't asked Zoe. It doesn't really matter. We're just going to meet up with her. So I'm not sure what we're doing, but if you are around on the Saturday, then maybe we could meet up there as well. Or I'm not really sure. So the best way to stay in contact with me is not on this YouTube video. It's actually on Instagram, because I will have my phone with me and I won't be able to get back to YouTube comments very easily because I'll have to get onto my laptop. I can get onto my phone, but it's just a bit of a pain. But Instagram messages come straight to my phone, so it's like just sending me a text. So Instagram messages, and maybe if you left a comment on one of my Instagram posts, as long as I've got Wi-Fi or something like that, I can get back to you. But yeah, so I will be in the London area. Just looking at my diary. I'll be in the London area around about the 26th of June until the 29th. Around about then. So I don't know if anybody wants to meet up or anything, but just let me know in the comment section. Do you know any yarn shops to go to? I'm hoping to go to Loop London, which I'm hoping to go on the 14th of July, but I'm not sure what my family, because part of my family lives in England, my relatives, not sure what they've got planned for us. So hopefully they're not planning anything for the 14th, which is the Saturday, 14th of July. So hopefully I can go to Loop. I've asked Zoe to go with me as well, so we will hopefully be going on the 14th. Don't know what time. I would suggest sometime in the morning. But again, yeah, if I'm going there, then I'll put some sort of post out to let you know, so we could maybe meet at the yarn shop, or we could meet for lunch or something like that. I did contact Loop and asked if they would like a podcast to meet up there, and she said no. I'm assuming it was a lady, can't remember. Could have been a gentleman, but I think it was a lady. And she said that their shop is quite small, so they didn't really have the area to do podcast and meetups, which is fine because, you know, not everybody's got the money to pay for a huge shop. So, yeah, if a couple of us want to go there. I'm sure that will be fine. That will just be like a couple of customers. But yeah, she didn't want a really big meetup because they don't have the room. But I would love to check out the shop. But do you have any other English yarn shops that you could suggest to me that I would like to visit? We're going to be, so my auntie lives, I'm not going to say where, but if you're looking at London, if you're looking at the clock, it'll be about 2 o'clock. So she lives sort of, she doesn't live at Dartford, but she lives near Dartford. So any yarn shops that are kind of close to there, I guess. I'm sure my auntie will know if there's any around, because I'm pretty sure she knits. I think she does. Yeah, I'm pretty sure she does. So, yeah, I'm sure she could tell me if there's some yarn shops that are local. And I think that's about it. Our holiday is crammed packed with stuff, which is great because otherwise what's the use of going, right? We are going to Lanzarote for a week with my dad, and he has some friends that live in Lanzarote, so I haven't seen them for a long time. We grew up with their kids, so that'll be great to see them. And yeah, so I'll be in London quite a bit, and I'll also be in Hereford. I don't know if there's any viewers up near Hereford, but I will be there the first couple of days we arrive. But trust me, my eyeballs are going to be hanging out of my head, and I'm not even going to know my own name. I'm going to be jet lagged, something terrible. But I will be back up. I'm just looking at my diary. I will be back up in the Hereford area around about the 4th of July to about the 7th of July. So if anybody's in the Hereford area and would like to meet up, then yeah, just maybe leave a comment on this video and I will check my comments. But yeah, so Zoe and I'm so excited about this holiday. Cannot wait. I cannot wait to meet Zoe in person. It's going to be so fun. And Jan and Sue and all the other ladies that are going, and Catherine. Cannot wait to meet everybody. It'll be so much fun. Where was I going with that? I don't know. I'm tired and I'm hungry. Not a good combination to make a video. But yeah, very excited. And Zoe and I will be travelling up together on the train. So yeah, very exciting. Yeah, so we'll be travelling up on the train. I was thinking about driving, but then one of you has to drive and the other person has to be the passenger, and that's not really fair on the driver. So, I mean, I would have drove, or maybe, I don't know if Zoe would have drove that far, but it's not really fair. So one of you gets really tired and the other one gets to sit there and enjoy the view. So we decided to catch a train and we can both sit there and enjoy the view, and we can take our knitting or crochet with us and get some really good crochet time in, because I think the train ride is a good, I think it's a good 6 hours at least. That's a big train ride. But it's going to be fun because we'll be able to sit there and just enjoy the view, and yeah, cannot wait. I just thought, like, do we have to take a packed lunch on the train? Do they have food on the train? I'm all about food. I'm assuming they have toilets because most trains have toilets. But do they stop somewhere? I don't know. Does anybody know? When I catch a train here, it's usually only for about an hour or so, so you kind of just don't really need food. So I'm also going to Ireland as well. I'm going on the 30th of June, and then we'll be back to the UK on the 3rd of July. So it's 4 days, and we're going to Cork, and we're also going to Limerick. I'm sure that is not the best accent to say those words, but that's how I would pronounce it. I keep looking at myself. So we're going to Cork, and we're going to, what did I say, Limerick. It's not in Limerick, we're not staying there, but we're just staying near there. So that's going to be so exciting. I've never been to Ireland before, and I can't wait to hear everyone's accents. And try some good Irish food. What is typical Irish food? Could you put a comment down below, because I'm not really sure. I don't think of a typical food when I think of Ireland, so yeah, what would be something that I have to try when I go to Ireland? Yeah. And what's something I have to try when I go to England too? I used to live there. I was born in England. Lived there for 12 years and have been back since a couple of times. And yeah, Scotch eggs, flapjacks, hula hoop crisps, red or like raspberry shoelace lollies. Oh, they're so good. Yeah, Skips crisps, um, Terry's oranges, the little chocolate oranges that taste like yeah, the chocolate orange thing. If you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. If you don't, you probably got no idea. Um, it's shaped like an orange, but it's chocolate, but it's orange flavor, I think, as well. Yeah, any other English things that I should try out? I'm going to Lanzarote, which is a Spanish island. Never been there before. So, what's the Spanish food I should try? I'm assuming that it's a Spanish island, so their food would be Spanish influence. So, what's a really good Spanish meal? I hate spicy food, and that's about it. I'm pretty. Oh, I don't like peppery stuff. Yeah, I just don't like pepper. But yeah, anything that's not spicy or peppery, then put some suggestions in the comment section. I'd love to know. So that's pretty much my holiday. That's what we're doing, and in between all that, we're seeing family and stuff. So that should be very exciting. So I hope that's a good enough update. I've been talking for about 12 minutes. So yeah, I'm not going to edit this. I'm just going to upload it straight to YouTube. So just a recap: going to Woolfest on the Friday 22nd. No idea what time it starts. I think it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. And we're going to the Stitch night, which I think is the Friday night. I don't think it's on the Thursday night. I think it's on the Friday night. I cannot remember. I've had to do so much work and so much planning, and all the little details are just really not staying in my brain, because if it's not written down or it's not printed out on a ticket, I don't remember it. And Zoe's currently got our tickets, so I think the Stitch night's on the Friday night. If anybody knows, can you put it in the description? Not description, in the comment section. So yeah, we'll be there on 22nd Friday, which is June Friday 22nd. So hopefully I can catch up with some of you. And yeah, till next time, happy crochet. There will be video tutorials coming out whilst I'm away. I am so organised. So organised. There will be crochet tutorials coming out, so I'm very excited about those ones. And there may be a slight interruption to when they're released, but hopefully around the same time, if not the same day that they're usually, which is my Friday, which is generally people's Thursday. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and the next time I'll be live like this will probably when I'm back in Australia. And hopefully I don't pick up too much of an English accent, because I already apparently sound pretty English, so I think I sound Australian, but I do hear English words come out. Thanks for watching, guys. It's gone blurry. I think my screen's dirty. Technology. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.